You know what's worse than paying thousands of dollars for a graphics card? I'll tell you what, having it randomly burst into flames. But that's the risk of any card using the 16-pin connector. It can strike at any time, at any place, and while companies have been trying to somehow remedy it, ASUS are the ones giving it a go now with the ROG Equalizer cable, one that they claim will be able to save your graphics card, and all of that for the low price of $50. Yes, this is a cable that costs $50. And unlike, say, audiophile cables, where there is really no justification for the high prices, here at least the science seems to be adding up. Like, here's the thing that makes it actually special. Firstly, they're designed to carry almost double the amperage, going from the 9.2 amps of a regular 16-pin cable all the way to 17, but also there's some other patented technology being used here that ASUS created to make it run cooler. And it seems to be working, given how at even a peak 600 watt load, it appeared 9 degrees cooler in testing. So while the $50 price tag is definitely on the high end, if you're buying a graphics card that has one of these 16-pin connectors anyway, odds are you can probably also afford this as well. Now, while it's mostly intended for use with ROG power supplies, as you can expect, they do say it's going to just work with pretty much any unit, so you can use it in your PC as well to hopefully try and save your precious graphics card. However, in terms of ASUS's own units, two PSUs are going to be supporting it, the ROG 43 and ROG Strix Platinum, and it's going to come bundled with any future versions of those units. And existing owners, well, don't worry, you get to get one as well. Not for free, however, you are going to pay for it. Granted, it's not going to be the full price. ASUS said that there is going to be a discount for existing power supply owners, but still no word about how much it's actually going to be for them. And it should be available later in Q2 2026. So while it is fairly sad that we have to do stuff like this just to prevent our graphics cards from exploding in any moment, and by the way, I was just quickly checking if my 4080 is still okay, but still, at least it's something, at least it's a precaution we can take, and it seems like it's something that's actually going to work, and it's not just snake oil. I'm very much looking forward to the day when reports of this burning down are also going to appear, but I want to hear your thoughts. Are you interested in getting this kind of cable? Well, let me know down in the comments below, and while you're at it, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus, huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Ella Roniak, Balash Roker, Not a Pseudonym, Mixon, Machine Allcraft, and Mason Magruder. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.